Hello, welcome to my presentation for the Level 3 BTEC in Health and Social Care. So here at Durham Sixth Form we offer two qualifications. We offer the Extended Certificate, which is equivalent to 1 A Level, and the Diploma, which is equivalent to 2. So here at the centre we have a team of 3 full-time members of staff. We have myself, Mrs Cockrell, who's head department, and then we also have Mrs Dobinson and Miss McPartlin, who are health and social care teachers as well. We all have degrees in this subject area, and we also have sector experience, so we can offer a lot of vocational elements to this course, and we also have a lot of connections with individuals who currently work in the sector, who we often invite in to run sessions and talks, so just enhance your knowledge and ready for university in the future. So if you choose to do health and social care here at Durham Sixth Form, you will study a range of topics. If you do the Extended Certificate, which is equivalent to 1 A Level, you will do 4 units across 2 years. The first unit is Unit 1, which is an examination unit, and this is Human Lifespan and Development. We look at psychological perspectives and what these perspectives say in regards to how we learn and how we develop as individuals. We look at lifespan and development across the ages, and we also look at illnesses and genetic conditions that can also be detrimental towards our development. This is very similar to the content at Level 2, it's just more enhanced at Level 3. We also do Unit 2, which is another exam, and it's working in health and social care. We look at professional roles within health and social care. So anyone that wants to go on to midwifery, adult nursing, children's nursing, paramedic science, social work, primary teaching, you'll really find this unit useful, because what we look at is we look at these roles in detail. We prepare you for university, and we also develop your confidence in what is expected from you in these roles. As well as the professional roles, we look at empowerment, anti-discriminatory practice, safeguarding, as well as regulatory bodies, inspection bodies that sort of govern our practice. We also do 2 coursework units as part of the Extended Certificate, and that's Unit 5 and 14. 5 is meeting individual needs, so we look at individuals who maybe have different needs due to illness, genetic conditions, maybe it's age or life stage, and we look at what support we can do in place to ensure these individuals are treated fairly and aren't discriminated. And then finally, as part of the Extended Certificate, we look at physiological disorders, which looks at anatomy, the human body, and it looks at disorders that affect your physiology and how we can care for individuals with those disorders. It's a really good unit for those that want to go on to study nursing or midwifery, because it offers you a foundation of knowledge that you can build on at university. Then if you choose to study diploma, so diploma is our double health and social care subject, which is equivalent to 2 A Levels, you will do the same units that you do as part of the Extended Certificate. However, you will also do 4 additional units. And we do Unit 4, which is another examination unit, but it has got a controlled assessment element because you are issued with a pre-release 4 weeks before your exam to help you prepare. And as part of this unit, it's all about inquiries into research and what we learn through research. And it looks at modern practice and modern issues and contemporary issues and what we've learned through research to improve our practice. That's really good for those of you that may want to study sociology, that may want to look at psychology beyond sixth form, because again, it provides you the foundation of knowledge that you can build on. We then have Unit 7, which is your principles of safe practice in health and social care. So it's all about safeguarding and how we keep individuals in our care safe. We look at multi-professional involvement, and what's involved in a multi-agency team, and what's involved in a multidisciplinary team, and how professionals work together to safeguard. We look at legislation and law and how we protect those individuals by following UK legislation. That's a really useful unit for any professional that you want to go into, but particularly social work, because again, it provides you with key information that you can build on when you go to university. And then the last 2 units are Unit 8 and 19. So 8 is all about promoting public health. We look at public health agendas, public health initiatives, the history of the NHS, which at this point in time is really valuable. And we also look at Unit 19, which is our optional unit, and we've chosen to look at nutritional health. And that's really good for anyone that wants to go to study physiotherapy, become a dietitian, because again, it provides you with a foundation of knowledge of what constitutes a balanced diet that you can then build on later on. So, as I've already touched on, in terms of assessment, we do assess you using 3 methods. So Extended Certificate, you are assessed in a combination of examinations and coursework, and it's a split. You do 2 units of coursework, 2 units of exam. If you choose to do the diploma, you will be assessed using coursework exam, but also that controlled assessment, in which is an examination style assessment, but you're issued with a pre-release up to 4 weeks before your exam. Okay, so now finally our results. So we do have fantastic results in health and social care, and here's just some of our achievements really over the last few years. So 100% of our students who are enrolled on the diploma qualification achieve grades D, M or above, with 58% of students achieving D star D. Considering there's an exam element, these are really, really good results. And as you can see in the table, 36% of those students go on to achieve D star, 22% of those students achieve D star D, and 38% achieve DD. And compared to the national averages as shown in the table, it's higher. And then we have our extended certificate students. Our extended certificate students are equally as successful, and 100% of students achieve grade M, which is a merit or above, with 95% of students achieving a grade distinction or above. And as you can see in the table, 39% of those students achieve D star, 56% of those students go on to achieve D, and 5% of the students achieve at least an M. And compared to the national averages, we are again above those national averages. So thank you for listening to my presentation today, and we look forward to welcoming you in health and social care. Thank you.